Hey everyone, so today I wanted to share with you some more behind the scenes because I know all of you guys are enjoying this. I'm getting emails, I'm getting comments on my YouTube channel, I'm getting DMs through Instagram, and that's where I'm mainly active. So if you're not following me there, go to just search for me at Photography by Rochelle and follow me there. You can even send me a DM and tell me what you want to see more in these vlogs. But you guys are loving the really more behind the scenes of whether it's my sessions or if I'm shooting anything. So today is another day we're going to record some more wrapping and posing videos. Last time we did that baby, we only got 1 or 2 videos, but we had other videos to record on my own. And so we got that out of the way. I'm having my client who came in for a session last week. Baby was absolutely very quiet, didn't even need to feed or change nappy or anything like that, but we managed to get the session done with a sibling as well and family shots within an hour. So usually when I have a sibling under 5, it usually takes long because of that, but he was great. So we're going to get some videos done. I'm going to show you behind the scenes. Remember, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below and ask me, but I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll let you know how it all rolls out. So I love my props, and what I've done is I've went ahead and selected 3 popular props that I use, and if you notice, they're different shapes. So pretty much the first one is my beautiful round prop. Now it doesn't have to be necessarily that one all the time, but I like this one as well. I find it is a good size. But any basket. So I'm going to show everyone in my membership how to use it, what I put underneath, different angles I can take using it, and all that stuff. So that's exactly sort of what you learn from me in depth, in detail when you join. Also, the oval shaped basket, which is another popular basket. Same thing, I'm going to explain everything, including what angles you can take, the lighting and all that good stuff. Then the popular bed. So I've just put that Flicati, I might change it, but pretty much that's the bed, and I'm going to explain the same things you can do with it, exactly like the other props, with a real baby. So that's the plan for these videos. So if you aren't a member, make sure to join, because it's the one place that you only need to learn new skills and become a better newborn photographer and obviously grow your business. Okay, so we've just finished. Jay, who's my videographer, has left. The client has left. We managed to get as much as we can. Baby was a bit cranky. He was actually 5 weeks old. So we tried to get as much as we can. Then we had another baby come in as well. So that hopefully would work. I'm yet to see the edited videos. So that's what I did for this week, and I wanted to share it with you here on the blog. I hope you enjoyed seeing just some quick behind the scenes of how I record my videos for my members inside the Newborn Photography Business School. Please, 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 if you want to learn newborn photography, grow your skills, be a better photographer and grow your business, make sure you go to thephotographersociety.com/join and go there and join us. If we are closed, make sure you put your name on the VIP wait list. I'll catch you all next week for another video. Until then, take care.